I start a business so with him and then the business so it make it hard.
So you and him that close? When you have business partner now?
Yeah, we have the juice bar, we have the bar, and actually every Wednesday we keep a party, again party, so you can pass through, And next thing, I was soon to be husband, so yeah.
You know what I no like? I no like the fact that everybody have me as a hothead. Like me is a person where nobody can talk to. I no can show certain vibes.
In all honesty, you create the whole persona there,
And that is something about yourself you have to fix.
So tell me something. If you don't know somebody half of my life, and me no know what I want, you no feel like you're supposed to put me on my guard. At least tell me something if you know what I want.
So why you think Whisper they tell you say when him drive up, him see the youth? No put you on your guard that.
And that's why I'm sending you the picture and ask you if I really am that. So we can take it from this.
No, tell a lie. Feel away when me hear say Butcher gone over 21 gone preach. Or when me find out the 100 say, who know them a work for. I feel away in myself.
So who tell you that, brother?
Whisper. Yeah, I get a youth, So you don't feel like if Butcher gone over 21 gone preach. You don't feel everybody over 14 or 13 a go hear. Remember say people half away, So the whole community them a go hear and know what going on,
Suppose me tell you say we no know nothing about where Butcher go over 21 go do. In preaching, it's a calling the brother same get. And just like you, it's a call we get.
I just work with a plan with him set already to save him life.
No, sir. You look and sound like you're in love. You not got no time for dancing at this rate then?
No, I still a go dance. I have to keep my body fit crazy. So tell me when our next rehearsal.
We kind of depend on a break now, but we have this accredited program, so when you done the course, you get your certificate.
What do you mean? A certificate? So that means I can get certified for dancehall.
Exactly. So what you think? A ballet people don't forget certificate? That's all.
Just make sure you tell me when the program they start and sign me up.
So hold on there. So hold on say. Butcher a real preacher, A real pastor in town, pastor talk with, a real pastor talk with in town now.
It look that way there. And him just get up and say him want go preach to the youths them and tell them say that kind of lifestyle where them have now work.
And you know so we endorse it 100%. Because from phone side, somebody need to talk to you and for real.
Remember say that a part of our duty too, to talk to the youths them in the community because them look up to
Know that, man. We are do the right thing, you see me? We just want to know so we safe in our community, and that's how we are doing it, you see?
You know more you work on though. You have a very short temper in it. You see when I look on the memory card and see the footage of how you deal with the brother with the big stone and a Migla road I go on. I know say if you get the weapon by them time there, and spread out, I would have to come pick him up. So here we go on. You slow down the process, bro.
Or the license thing. So them see the video there?
No vicious. It not have nothing to do with the video. It have everything to do with you not following instructions, brother.
But we do everything you want to tell me to do.
You remember what I tell you say? Don't send the information from the 9-inch at shotbrawling.com email. And that you send it from,
So that it sent from Jaja. Near realizing, bro.
Get rid of that email there. Una have a show we say una understand the levels of owning a firearm, a licensed firearm. If you don't understand that, it will backfire upon we. The process slow down, but it not stop.
So tell me something. A dancing alone I do forever?
No, sir. I still a teach same way. But I'm in this computer world now. It's called computer analysis.
That not so bad. a smart business that depend. So tell me something. If more I learn about computering, me can call you?
I can't get to teach nobody now because I'm still a student. But you, I like what you do. You're in your own business.
I can't bother the boss thing in my life. A boss do the thing me depend.
At the right thing you do, yeah, at the same thing me I do too. Career, I'm my own business.
And talk to your friend then, brother. Leg off of them a listing, you see? You see that apps here? You never need to know, you see me? And most things is a need to know basis. And remember, as me tell you, I will keep you out of the loop.
You see, because we operate in an informal way, enough people forget that we are still an agency. And we can't act out our emotions. So, as much as how you feel away with we not saying anything to you or making you know about what we are doing on the ground, that was an executive decision. It wasn't personal.
And I don't get to leave out of the loop, you know. Even King, man. Because we know the two on the state. We have a very short fuse, brother.
King, man. So you never know what going on in Spain.
No. We and him need to have a different conversation. But when you understand this, there are certain things about you where you have to go fix. Especially the fact that you're a businessman.
I have a woman in your life. I have a youth around you. Enough things have to change. You have a set example for your youth.
Alright, still in a Miss Brissett. But you see, because you're coming like one away, all these have to get you on a law. But you see, out of respect, you're right, still, you know. So we're not going to take it for granted. Because anything we're going to do for we, out of respect, same way. And we appreciate it.
Now you sound like a well-thinking businessman.
By the way, on my life I treat you. She said, why if you on the ground 100% now? All the way, though.
120%, man. I don't know anything come down. Every good king need a good queen. Same like how we need the machine.
So, girl, you just a work, so? See, you know the spooky in your life?
Did. But him still come around every now and then.
What you say, he might come run back? Oh, say, I look by the good.